All right, guys, welcome back to the channel. It's a balmy Thursday. It is way too humid, but we got a new project vehicle, so it's time for us to dig in a little bit. Not a great thing when you're taking a garbage bag with you to inspect your new supercar, but let's see what we can find. All right, so this is by far the best angle that you're gonna get. It is legit. It is in fact an X6M. Is that a real carbon fiber spoiler on there? Maybe? I don't know. But pretty good. Crappy aftermarket wheels. I'm a little concerned about that. Also, not sure those are the factory Brembos in the back. I'm wondering if those got swapped out, but we'll check that out later. Pretty good, and not so much. It's feel like those turbos maybe overheated a little bit. Not sure, but we could dig into that a little bit later. But yeah, they're in there. All right, let's see what we got on the inside. Yeah, that's not gonna work. What about in here? We are $5 closer to our goal of recouping all of our money. All right, so I guess. Oh my goodness. Got part of an inner cam in here, maybe. What is this? I think this is what's left of the hood. I think that is. Yeah, that's officially hood. All right, what else we got? Oh, looks like we got an intercooler. What do you think? Oh, that's an oil cooler. Wow, thing's heavy. All right, what else? Oh, we got a ball glove. Oh, look, they already gave me a garbage bag. I didn't even need to get a garbage bag. Could have just used the one they provided. What is in there? That is heavy. If this is a dead body, I'm just gonna lose my mind. What is that? I guess that's that stuff that got scooped up off the road. That is wild. Yeah, just kind of hand it to Copart. Make sure you get your money's worth. All right, now somewhere back in here, there is supposed to be a release to get this trunk open. Man, it's tight back here. I'm not sure how I feel about this whole sloping roofline business. Wheel? I think we're gonna have to do a little bit more research because I don't see a trunk release. All right, guys, we're back. There is a little post in there, and you just rotate that bottom. That you rotate it or push it sideways towards the left if you're facing that little access panel. So that's cool. Now we got access in here. We can find out what kind of goodies they left us. There's a Ripken baseball, Rawlings. It's exciting. I feel like this guy, it's interesting. I kind of assumed this was a Philly car, but I'm going to say that maybe this is not a Philly car. Dum Dum, that's cool. Okay, well, I think that's... Oh, look at that. Wow. That is wild. So we got some permanent markers, juice containers. What is this? Money just paid for the whole car right there. That's awesome. So I guess the battery maybe under here. Can't speak German. I have to get my wife to translate. So I want to get a look at the brake calipers. They look like they're genuine Brembos, but they also look like they've been powder coated. So just want to try and find a part number or something. But we need to uninstall this headlight first. Yep, that should about do it. Cool. So there's that other oil cooler. It's so crazy. I don't know. Should I have left that covered up? Is that protecting a coolant pump or something? Anyway, let's see if we can't find a jacking point here. Shroudage everywhere. I don't want to break that because that honestly still looks good. To that oil cooler, it's probably worth some money. All right, change of plans, guys. You tell me, what do you think? Are those the real deal? Or are they knockoffs? Again, you got cheap wheels on it. There's some other things that kind of looks like they chinstone, so I guess we'll find out tomorrow. Have a great night.